just a chance.
A wedding is more than just a decision of the mind.
You could set the bar.
Getting into marriage is a commitment of the heart.
Do anything, anything you ask me to.
Kaya yung kasal, ang Tagalog po doon ay pag-iisang tip-tip, pagtataling puso, kayo yung dalawa.
It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you.
Today, as I stand before you, I want you to know that you are my safe place, my answered prayer, and my greatest blessings.
Staring out past the headlights, but I've got nowhere to run. Feels like I've been trying to find something, or am I looking for someone? Staring at the sky, looking for a sign. I'm gonna find my way. I'm gonna find my way. I'm coming back, yeah, I'm coming back home, and I'm gonna find my way. I'm coming back, yeah, I'm coming back home, and I'm gonna find my way. Always
Arnold, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Buried deep underground, had to dig with my own hand. And I'm gonna find my way. I'm gonna find my way. I'm coming back.
Huwag mong kakalimutan yung mga pinangalan namin sa'yo ni Papa.
Sana maging maayos at maging masagana. Iyon ang maging buhay. Iyon!
Dumating itong araw na ito na ikaw ay kakasal na. Ayan, kayo magmahalang dalawa.
Salamat!
I just got lost, but I'm coming back home, and I'm gonna find my way.
Thank you for coming into my life. You are my answered prayer. Just so you know, I've been praying for a man like you since I was young, and God gave me you at a perfect time.
Your dreams and your individuality, I will be your partner through every storm, your biggest cheerleader in every success, and your shoulder to lean on in every tears.
Marami mang nangyari, pero sa maikling panahon na nakilala kita, binigay mo yung best mo, mapatunayan na ikaw yung tamang tao para sa akin. Sa maikling panahon na tayo nagsama, sa palagi mong pagbabao ng mahabang pasensya, maraming salamat. You will always be my palagi. I love you.
You are my forever, my promise, and my purpose. And for as long as I live, I will love you with a faithful heart. I love you.